Shoes? Let me see them. What are you doing? You have shoes on? Let me see. Whoa, those are big feet you have there. Whose shoes are those? Daddy's shoes? Lily's shoes. Oh, okay. I like them. Yeah, they're nice. Let me see. Let me see their shoes. You're gonna fall.
Careful.
Let's take them off.
No, mamá, te vas a caer. No, you're gonna fall.